In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bank transactions manually in Zoho Books. Whether you're reconciling your accounts or ensuring everything is accurate, knowing how to manually log these transactions can be a lifesaver. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage all your accounting needs. Zoho Books makes it easy with its user-friendly interface. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Quick Create button. It typically sits prominently on your screen, making it easy to start a new transaction. Next, you'll click on Bank Transfer from the menu options that appear. This selection is crucial because it initiates the process of logging a bank transaction, whether it's funds moving in or out of an account. Once you've selected Bank Transfer, you'll need to choose which bank account you want to work with. If you're managing multiple accounts, take a moment to carefully select the right one from your list. It's vital to ensure you're documenting transactions under the correct account to maintain accurate records. After selecting your bank account, the next step involves deciding on the transaction type. Here, you'll specify whether the transaction is a deposit, withdrawal, or transfer. This choice is important as it categorizes the transaction correctly. With that decision made, click on Continue. This action takes you to the next stage of the entry process. Here you'll need to select the specific account involved in the transaction. Again, ensure all details line up with your records to prevent discrepancies. Following this is the date selection. Choose the date the transaction occurred, not necessarily the current date, to accurately reflect your financial activities. With the date set, type in the amount of the transaction. Be precise here, as rounding up or down can lead to errors over time. Next, provide a succinct description of the transaction. This note should clarify what the transaction was for, providing context for future reference or audits. Think of it as writing down a reason that will help you remember, months from now, why this transaction happened. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the details you've entered, click Save. By doing this, you've successfully recorded a bank transaction manually in Zoho Books. It's that simple. Ensuring your accounts are updated with each transaction will give you peace of mind and a clear picture of your financial standing at any time. Remember, keeping up with manual entries in Zoho Books as transactions occur is a great way to stay organized and prevent future headaches. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!